He's not giving up on you, not giving up on you.
Positive, encouraging KLOVE. The following is a test of the emergency alert system. This has been a test of the emergency alert system, designed to keep you informed in the event of a national, state, or local emergency. Positive, encouraging KLOVE.
Right before my trip to Memphis, KLOVE has to test. And WDLV already tested, so I couldn't get on WDLV in time. So, yeah, and I do not get a good signal for it to leave it on my VC370 yet. I'll show you. It's 88.1. How many? No, that's... See, no good signal. 88.7 actually. 88.1 is Joy FM. You put it back on WGCU. Alright, that's that KLOVE test.